Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this quick video, I want to cover OpenAI's recent announcement of SearchGPT, their new AI search engine that's set to take on Google. They just dropped this bomb a few days back on July 27th, and let me tell you, it's actually pretty mind-blowing news in the world of AI. Now, before we dive in, I strongly suggest you head over to OpenAI's Twitter, or should I say X, account where they've posted a full demo video of SearchGPT in action. It's absolutely insane, guys. I'll leave a link to that and everything else I mentioned in the video description below. Alright, with that said, let's have a quick look and break down everything we know so far about SearchGPT and why it's such a big deal. Body. So what exactly is SearchGPT? Well guys, it's OpenAI's answer to Google search but supercharged with AI. Imagine ChatGPT, but with real-time access to the internet. That's basically what we're looking at here. Now, if you remember back in May, there were rumors flying around about OpenAI working on an AI-powered search engine. Well, guess what? SearchGPT is that beast, and it's finally here. Let's break down some of the key features we're seeing here. First off, it's integrated right into the ChatGPT interface. So if you're already familiar with ChatGPT, you'll feel right at home. But here's where it gets crazy. SearchGPT can pull up-to-date information from the web in real time. No more, my knowledge cutoff is in 2022 inches nonsense. Okay, to be fair, if you're on the premium plan, then ChatGPT can kind of browse the internet, but really if you've spent some time with it, you'd know that it's not really reliable as it tends to hallucinate events and just make up these website links all of the time. So it's really not something you would use if you wanted to browse the internet like a Google search. This is where SearchGPT comes in. OpenAI wants to grab that market from Google, and who knows, maybe they might do. But here's where things get really interesting, guys. OpenAI isn't going this alone. They've partnered up with some major publishers. We're talking big names like The Atlantic, The New York Times, and Reuters. Now, why would they do this? Well, they say it's to value, respect, and protect journalism. But let's be real here. In my opinion, this is all about avoiding lawsuits down the line. Smart move, OpenAI, smart move. What do you guys think about this? Is OpenAI really looking out for journalists, or is this just a clever way to cover their backs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Anyway, I doubt OpenAI would make Google go out of business anytime soon, but there are some other companies that are probably shaking right now. Remember Perplexity AI? Yeah, that cool AI search tool we've all been playing with? Well, SearchGPT might just be the Perplexity killer we didn't see coming. Think about it. Perplexity's whole business model is built around AI-powered web search, right? And now, OpenAI, the big dog in the AI yard, is stepping into that exact same space. I hate to say it, but if SearchGPT delivers on its promises, Perplexity might be in for a world of hurt. Google's got decades of experience and data under its belt, so it's probably in the safe zone for now. But make no mistake, this is definitely a shot across Google's bow as well. Now, looking at SearchGPT, this probably makes me wonder what would happen to SEO. Guys, we're talking about a whole new way of thinking about search. How will SearchGPT rank content? Will it favor certain types of websites? What about small publishers and creators? Will they even stand a chance? As a content creator, these are the questions keeping me up at night, folks. And right now, we've got more questions than answers. But one thing's for sure, the SEO landscape is about to get a major update. Oh, and get this. OpenAI says they're planning to improve SearchGPT in areas like local information and commerce. You hearing this? Yelp and Amazon? The AI revolution is coming for everyone. So what's next for SearchGPT? Well, according to Sam Altman, they're treating this as a prototype. They're going to learn from it, make it better, and then, like I said, integrate it right into ChatGPT. Now, I've got to say, as someone who's been in the AI game for a while, this is seriously exciting stuff. But it's also a bit scary, right? I mean, we're looking at a future where AI isn't just answering our questions, but actively searching the web and synthesizing information for us. It's truly mind-blowing. But here's the million-dollar question. Will SearchGPT actually make search better? Sam Altman seems to think so, and as a content creator, I've got to agree that there's definitely room for improvement in search. But will it be better for everyone? That remains to be seen. Now let's talk about you guys, the users. If you're itching to get your hands on SearchGPT, don't forget to join the waitlist on OpenAI's website. Trust me, you don't want to be late to this party. And for all my fellow creators out there, start thinking about how you're going to adapt to this new world. We might need to rethink our entire approach to content creation and optimization. It's scary, but it's also an incredible opportunity. Outro. And that's all for this video, folks. If you've stuck around this long, I really appreciate that. If you liked the video, why not like and subscribe? It's sure to help the channel and motivate me to continue doing what I do. If on the other hand you didn't like the video, please let me know in the comments below so that I can improve my mistakes. As always, you've all been fantastic. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.